All right, today I'm going to show you guys a place that needs a little bit of landscaping makeover. Do not use weed barrier. I'm going to show you exactly what to use to get this beautiful weed-free garden area. Here's what it looks like during the day, and then check it out with these awesome solar lights that are highlighting this. I just love this. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is just prep the area. Now, the biggest thing is getting out rocks that you see. So I got a bunch of really good ones, and then just clean up the area. Try and get as much, of the old debris and weeds out of there. I've got quite a bit of rocks to dig out here. And check out this one that I dug out. Oh my gosh, I feel like that lawn guy that digs out boulders from his yard. This thing is huge. I took all those rocks and I put them around my fence. Look at all these rocks I found in there. And then these rocks I already had, and there's my canna. It is really coming along. It's only been a few weeks and it's already growing. So next thing you're going to do is I have this little, beach wagon. I went ahead and put the gravel and the sand mix. I'll leave the link to these products, and then just 2 buckets. You're going to dump that pea gravel in one, and you're going to dump the sand mix in the other. So that makes it way easier on your back to spread, because that stuff is heavy. Those bags are like 60 pounds a piece. So just spread this out. You want to make just a thin layer, and then you're going to come back across with that pea gravel, and you want it to be pretty thin, because when you spray this with water, it's going to adhere to that and it's going to make concrete. So just get that nice and even right there. And then this is what it looks like. And before you go on to the next step, you're going to want to put your plants and your lights in wherever you want them. Now, these are fake. I love using fake plants in landscaping. I'll leave a link to the ones I got. Then you're going to water it down. Yep, that's concrete. I used the same method on this pathway that I did last year, and literally these little 2 weeds are the only things that are growing in there. I never ever have to pick weeds or spray for weeds right here. So here it is, all done again. Now I will leave a link to all of these plants. I got all of this stuff that you see on Amazon, and I'll leave the links to the lights, to the plants, to the gravel, and the sand that I used. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to make your backyard look fantastic, any of your landscaping areas, if you're using fake plants, of course, you can use this sand mix to create a concrete barrier, and no weeds, or very little weeds, are going to come through. I have in my front flower bed, before I had the fake plants, I use that weed barrier, and there are just weeds everywhere. There are weeds all over it. I have to spray them, I pick them. So this is a great alternative. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.